Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you to Flipkart. Today we are going to explore MarQ by Flipkart, Flipkart's latest product, a smart 25-liter convection microwave. From the house of Flipkart, this microwave is ideal for your compact nuclear family. It is the perfect mix between a convection oven and a microwave, serving both requirements. The MarQ Smart Convection Microwave has 3 modes of cooking that you can use: microwave, convection and grill. You can now fast cook, slow cook and grill your food. For that rushed morning meal, you can use the express cooking feature, which cooks your food in 30 seconds, not even a minute. The convection microwave also comes with an inbuilt auto cook option where there are 10 preset menus, so you won't have to worry about figuring out the mode and the time settings for certain popular cuisines. The preset menu includes automatic options for pasta, pizza, cake, soup and more. You can also express defrost your frozen foods without fussing over the settings with the defrost function. This microwave has 5 power levels. These power levels range from warm, low to high. The warm level takes up 17% of power only and can be used for keeping food warm for a short period of time or heating up bread. For all the enterprising bakers, it can be used to soften cheese, butter and chocolate as well. The low power level consumes a limited of 33% of power and can be used to defrost your frozen foods or simmer and stew your soups and gravies. The medium power level uses 55% of power and is ideal for slow cooking and light frying or stewing your food. We all know the benefits of slow cooking. It is the healthiest way to cook your food to ensure that the nutritional integrity is not lost. Next, we have the medium-high option, which utilizes 77% of total power. You want to use this mode to bake casseroles, to saute and reheat food, to roast your veggies, as well as to bake convenience foods. And finally, this is the high power level, which uses 100% of power. You can brown your liquids here, cook different meats, fish, ground meat, bacon, or even cook an entire dish using this level. This smart convection microwave has 3 memory levels to store your recently used cooking settings. All you have to do is save them and you don't have to worry about remembering and resetting the convection microwave for your daily food requirements. Need to defrost your food before cooking? No worries. You don't have to set it to defrost and then pull it out again and reset it to your medium-high mode of cooking. All you have to do is select the multi-stage option and then you can leave it to defrost for 5 minutes and then cook for the next 7 minutes while you can do other work. You can even combine cooking modes by first microwaving and then shifting to convection cooking and finally grilling for the same dish, all at the touch of a button. This convection microwave is not only good looking but also efficient in cooking your food and its energy consumption. It has a preheat option so that your cooking time is reduced. With a 12.4-inch turntable, you can have your large family-sized dishes in at one go, rotating at 360 degrees so as to heat and cook uniformly. The microwave has been designed to optimize heating efficiency by using a stainless steel cavity. Not only does this heat quickly and preserve the heat inside, but it also prevents energy and heat leakage. Friends, the efficiency of this fabulous appliance covers energy use, functionality, cooking, and even maintenance. Being rust-free with a stainless steel interior and with removable trays, the MarQ Convection Microwave has been designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. The child lock on this convection microwave ensures your children can't play around with it and hurt themselves or the appliance, making it safe for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family immediately to enjoy easy, safe and healthy cooking for you and your family. And to sweeten the deal further, MarQ covers 200 cities for in-house servicing. All you have to do is make a call and MarQ certified technicians will be there to cater to your cooking requirements. And finally, to seal the deal, Flipkart assures you of speedy delivery, hassle-free installation, an in-depth demo of how to use the appliance and a short brand warranty. So come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and see you soon.